Hello, I'm Jody Wolf. You're watching Expoz on September 19, 2015, and it's 12:43 a.m. in Birmingham, and the topic is the news that we're all on pins and needles just waiting to hear about. Judgments and attacks and been overwhelmed by Muslims, the Syrians. The point is the fact that we haven't really had an earthquake or all of California burned to the ground, and Oregon and Washington. And but if you think, how much has the market gone down in 17 days now? Think about it. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be like 2,500, and it's like, wow, nobody. Like down 290 today, 290. So that's 12. I mean 20. That's 2,500. Down 2,500 points. Down in 18 days. But yet, no one is making a big deal out of it. That's bad, guys. That's hurt this country. And I mean hurt. And I mentioned the fires. One fire, just one fire alone, has burned 400 homes in California. And I forget the number of fires that's going on. It's a huge number. And just in the news about the illegal aliens. Did you know that now, even the few numbers they have here, they top percentage-wise in crime, in all crime, including murder? This blows me away. They top the blacks way over the top. I mean, and the whites, I mean, they're like 13 or 14%. In some places, it's a lot higher depending on the crime. Some are like 17, 8, or some are 19%. But when you figure that based on the amount of illegals that are here, we don't know what number they're basing it on. We just know the percentage of the crimes who they're committed by. There's 8 times more white people than there are blacks, and supposedly 9.5 times more white people than there are Hispanics, but that may be changing. And in the same number, 9.75 times more people than Muslims in this country. But yet, Hispanics have taken the lead in the crimes. Wow. That blows me away. But that, right there, that is a harbinger. That is a part of a harbinger. The fact that California just won't go out, and the fact that Oregon all of a sudden has another several fires going in Washington, and then Montana. I mean, my gosh, this fire is starting everywhere. It could easily, if that continued at the rate it is today, another 6 weeks to 2 months, it would be a third of this country. That's what the Bible says it would be. So just because we hadn't been slam dunked by something that really made our heads roll doesn't mean that we're not being judged. We are. But we're still going to get a judgment that will make your head roll. Just let the things play out the rest of this month, and I believe that we'll all hang our heads and pray. I don't mean hang our heads and cry about it. We need to hang our heads and pray about it. Jordy Wolf Expoz.